Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to receive payment in USD on Stripe. So in order to receive payment in USD on Stripe, you have to follow the steps. First of all, you have to go and log in into your Stripe account. When you're logged into your account, that's gonna take you to the home page. So from the home page, first of all, you have to go and manage the settings. So go to business settings or just press on the profile icon from the top right and go to business settings. Once you do that, you'll be able to find a page where you can see that currencies have not been enabled while converted to your default currency GBP. If you are not residing in the United States or in the States, then the currency type will be according to the region that you're located. So first of all, you need to go ahead and make changes with the currency. And if you actually want to receive the payment in USD, you need to live outside of the US. And then what you have to do is you need to go ahead and click on the manage button. After that, click on as you see in the pop-up menu. After that, you'll be able to see the information. Once you've done with that procedure to collect the payment via USD bank transfer, you must provide a routing and an account number to your customer, who then initiates the payment from their bank account. So likewise, you could go ahead and press on the receive section when they've actually initiated the transfer, and you should be able to receive the amount in USD. So that's how you can receive payment in USD on Stripe. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.